Hello and welcome to the first of my build videos on rebuilding my Tamiya Aero Avante on the DF-02 chassis. As I hope you've seen from one of my previous videos, the front end is completely broken and loose, so we're going to rebuild it, and to do that, first thing we need to do is dismantle it all so that I can replace this broken chassis with this new one. Now fortunately, before we start, I do still have the manual, so that when we get to rebuilding it I can look at that to get the right screws and things. But if you don't have this, I do strongly recommend you take a series of photos and before you start, and as you go through the build or the dismantling, shall we say, so that you know what bits go where. But like I say, I've got the manual, so I'm going to just use that. I've then also got lots of pots to put all the various components and screws and stuff in. So I've already started. I've taken the wheels off, all the bodywork off, so I think we'll get started and start taking the front and rear suspensions, control arms and things off, and the shocks, and see how we go. And there we have part of the chassis. That's going in the bin. And I think I will take some of this apart and give it a clean before I start putting it back together, but I won't bore you with all of that. Well, that was hard going, that one. Okay, so first slight snag. I don't seem to be able to get these battery holder posts out, so we'll have a think about that and do that bit off screen. So I'll just carry on and see if I can get this prop covered out, which is kind of easier said than done from memory. Right, okay folks, I think I'm going to call it there, and I'm going to do them off camera because they just don't want to come out at the minute, and I don't have any more spare to put back in. So like I say, I'll leave it there, and basically that's the chassis stripped, ready for the bin. So what I'll do is clean everything up, get everything set out, and I hope you'll come and join me for rebuilding it. Thanks for watching. Bye.